Currently, India is passing through a very difficult time because of this COVID second wave, and country being very vast. It is like any of the continent. So peak will be differently in different states. Though Delhi is saying they have a fourth peak, Maharashtra had a second peak, and probably we are at the top of the peak, or within couple of days we'll be attaining the peak in Maharashtra. The peak is like basically when you take off in a flight, it takes 5 minutes to take off. It goes to plane, and then when you land, it takes more time, 20 to 25 minutes. So similarly, in the peak also, it goes up fast, and it will be at the peak for some time, and it will come down very slowly. Currently, what we see, though Maharashtra is reporting highest number of cases in the country with 67,000 cases yesterday, but there are other states like UP, Bihar, Uttarakhand. They have been reporting very highly. Means UP had only 121 cases on 10th of March, and within 5 weeks it has gone to 27,000. So 225 times jump. Bihar has got in the same 5-week period 170 times jump. Uttarakhand has got 90 times jump. And election bound states like Assam and West Bengal almost 40 to 60 times jump. So these states are doing very badly, though in numbers they are low. So what we should be particular, because this kind of thing will also overwhelm the medical system, oxygen beds, drugs like Remdesivir, there will be medical fatigue. So people have to use micro containment zone, which has been described by Honorable Prime Minister, that rather than expecting society, government and people to do something for you, you do for yourself. If you think that one of you is tested positive, that means all in your family are currently positive. You make your family or your home micro containment. You don't go out, don't allow anybody to come out. Now this virus is different, because we can't always blame people, because people are the same all these almost 14-15 months of COVID in India. What has changed is basically the strain of the virus. There are double mutants in Maharashtra and most of the country, in the southern part of the country. They are E484Q and L452R. But in Punjab, they have seen another strain called B117, which is from UK. So these strains are very highly infectious, maybe less lethal, and that's the reason what we see, that within 10 days, last year one person was infecting one person during that infectivity period of 10 days. But this time they are infecting double, 2 people. So 2 is not double epidemic, it is a 4 to 8 times more higher epidemic, because in 10 days they infect 1:2, in another 10 days 2:4, and another 10 days 4:8. So that's what we are seeing, that jump is very fast. And therefore what we need to do is that we should start and continue using mask. There is no holiday for mask. Test, track and treat, that is the second important thing. And vaccination will not protect you for now, but it will protect you for the third or subsequent wave. And be careful, this is a really very dangerous scenario we are passing through. Though Maharashtra is nearing peak, rest of the country is yet to go to the peak.